Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. Today we have a BMW with lock sign. Let us see together what's going on and what needs to be done. Please subscribe and share and like. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Here's a car, 2008 or 2007 BMW, 2 doors. We're gonna open the trunk, put a jumper cable because we need a battery to be fully charged. Okay, I believe this is 5 series, 3 series, all the cars, it could be the same. You see the battery sign is there, and you're gonna see in a few, that is the problem that we have. What we need to do, I am going to connect my snap-on scanner and see if we can do a steering lock release. Okay, here we're gonna go on scanner. The battery must be fully charged, and then it's BMW, expert mode, no vehicle selection. What excuse me, 2007 can I do automatic? Yeah, the battery is weak, I believe, so I gotta put a jumper cable. So let me show them where you can put the jumper cable. Okay, let's go here. You need where you put the jumper. It's very simple. Bring the cable. Bring the cable. We're not gonna waste our time. We're gonna put one here and one here. Battery must be fully charged. This car have a steering lock control module or steering lock module. We're not gonna start the car. We're just gonna put it, and be sure that when you put those, always hold like this. Okay, here supposed to be on the power, and this one in ground, turning this side. Okay, oh, you don't open the hood yet now. Okay, move this one. This wire is going to be short, so we're going to release it. Lose that one, so we're going to release this wire here. So we don't want it touch, so lose one there. Thank you. Now lose this one. Lose this wire. Today the video is look like very clear. This is a Chevy. No, hold on. It's reaching, right? So this one here, we need to relax the wire. Okay, this one here. Please, don't pull, okay? Why this is? Yeah. You put it good there. You see now the light is on. Everything is working for us. So now we're gonna go and see. Sometime, but dead battery is crazy. You see now it's still, the key is not recognized. I'm gonna take the key out. You see? Nothing. Take the key, put it in, the lock sign coming. What happened is, the car is looking for the password that last time the computer used it to take it from the key, calculate it and give it to the engine computer. When the battery go dead, it's just like a human being that have a diabetic, and the sugar go down and he start forgetting or start shaking and he don't know where he is. So now we have this problem. I'm gonna go to automatic ID. If I will be able to get automatic ID, I will be happy, because the information will be taken from the CAS module. Also, there is a new system that you can put bypass this steering lock module, so you don't have no headache anymore. If you want to do that, it's not bad. Do it. Okay, I have the VIN number. I'm very happy. I will say okay. Now, there is a place that we gotta go to look for this problem. Is that in the engine computer or inside the or inside the CAS module? So let me go to engine computer or CAS module. I don't know where I gotta go, but let me go to a place where say electronic immobilizer, EWS. Let me go to EWS, which is the CAS module. I want to see if I can get it from here. Function test, special function. You see, here is the place where you need to do. Hopefully it's clear. I'm gonna go back, so just to make it clear, I'm using a snap-on. Every company have its own functionality. Here, you can scan the code to see what is there, but this is a complete scanning for the whole car. I don't know how long it's gonna take. I'm gonna wait for it. Okay, you see here, we have a couple of codes. Here, you say terminal hall effect. Okay.
Okay, Mohammed, how do I check? Put the radio flag?
Yeah, put a positive, negative, and see. Put the one in the black one, and the other one on the red one, positive, negative. Let's see how many voltage you have in the battery. On the battery itself, you see battery have negative and positive, right?
10.4, Mohammed.
Show me what you have. I want to see it.
Even the camera.
I need to see the voltmeter. How much? You have 10. You know, like it's not well charged. This is very weak. 10 volt is no good. 11 is okay. But now, what I want to do is, you're gonna leave the one where you put it on the battery.
Yeah, he had it on the battery.
Okay, I want one on the battery and one on the one on the ground and one on the battery down. No, minus. You know, on the minus side of the battery, negative side of the battery, the black wire.
Okay.
And then the other one, go down where the battery go to the body of the car.
Oh, right here, down here.
Yeah, yes.
Okay.
How much you have?
10,
So here you good. Here you are good. Okay, now what I want to do, put the battery back, test the ground too. We need to put this one back on the battery the same way. Put the red one on the positive. Put the red one on the positive.
Okay.
And now check the ground. See all the way to the body of the car.
Any of them? Where is it, Mohammed? Oh, right here.
Yeah. Check it. It's good.
It's an S69.
Beautiful. Now I want you to go to the car in the front of the hood. Do the same thing on the red wire outside. Thank you. Now let's hear. We have here some code. I'm doing a job here, so just give me some minute, okay?
He just looked at the front. It was 10 point something.
I just want to check something there in the front. Where is in the front?
It's gonna show it right here. Same thing, same exact thing as it was in the front.
Let me see. On the big wire?
On the big wire, but the thing is, these two were not connected before, so now I'm connecting them directly. But when he had it before, it was not connected.
Yeah, connect all the two wires. And where he disconnected from?
I disconnected it with this thing here. Look.
Oh, maybe that piece was no good. Open it. Open that piece. Open it inside. You think that, but that only a join wire. So connect it together.
That's what I did. Yeah, exactly. That's what I did. Look.
Okay, I want to check one thing too.
The best way to connect these two together is this way. Give me 1 second.
Okay, do me a favor. Connect it together, and let me know. I'm gonna show you something else.
Okay, I did this, but the thing is, the starter.
Don't worry.
Doesn't go.
Don't worry about it. We're gonna check a lot of stuff. Slowly. Connect that one. Okay, we're gonna go back here.
Okay. I'm gonna connect it this way.
We're gonna go to CAS or EWS. Connect here. And then I will go to function test, special test. I'm gonna go to Stara interlock reset or ELV counter reset, volt counter reset. I gotta do all of them. Continue. Follow, continue. Progress.
Maybe it's too dark for both of them.
Yeah, tighten them good. This guy is a mechanic, you have everything. You see this one here, you say the internal electric steering column lock fault successful. I say continue. Please cycle the ignition off and then see. I'm gonna take this one off. I wait a little bit. You see that one is there. Okay, 1 second. You connect it. Now I want to do one thing. You see that wire that you have it? I want you to put your terminal 1 on the red. Put the terminal 1 on the red No, yes. And the other one on the car body. No, not there. No, not there. Not there. Yeah, and then the other one in the body of the car. Where you
Yes,
jump
that's
it.
what I'm doing.
Where you put it?
I put it on the body of the car.
On the body of the car?
Yes.
Where? Okay, now take it out, put it on the engine.
On the engine?
On the engine itself.
I see what he's saying. I see the problem too now.
You see now? On the engine you have no... Okay, this is on the engine?
Yes.
Are you sure on the engine?
Yes, it's good. The ground is good here.
On the engine is good?
Yes, look, I'm on the engine.
Okay, the ground on the engine is good. This battery is 10 volt. Can you charge this battery good?
Yes.
Huh? Put a jump, put, my friend, put a jumper. I want the engine to have a ground. You have the engine ground?
Okay, they're gonna get the jumper.
Yeah, put a ground, a good ground and call me. Put a good ground and good charger and let me know. Okay, now this one here, I reset it. I'm gonna put this on again. You see now everything open, ignition come on. Oh, I'm very happy. I'm gonna start my car. The battery is dead. Okay, this battery is weak. This battery is still weak. Yeah, can it? Yes.
I can tell you right now, I think it's the solenoid and the starter.
The solenoid on the start.
That's what I think it is.
Whatever it is.
I can hear it clicking that something.
No,
on
when
the
it's
engine
clicking,
and
when
the starter.
when
That's
it's
what I
clicking, when it's clicking, it could be everything is good, but your battery is weak.
think. It could be, yes, but you know when it's clicking like the battery, I'm working on cars too. So it's not the battery clicking. The problem is this: the starter is like sticking. It's like something is
No,
holding
no,
the
yeah,
starter.
because some car when the battery is weak, also it does that on BMW. It never crank.
It's possible, yes, it's possible.
Yeah,
I
put
agree,
put a
because
good
you
put
say you
put
need
a good.
12 volts, right?
Yeah, you good. Put a good battery charger.
Yeah.
Okay, put a good battery charger, and then I will see if I can help you and see what's gonna happen. Hey, we are fixing this one here, and we are fixing this car. Okay, now ignition is on, but the battery, this battery is weak. My friend, I'm gonna get a jumper cable. My brother, you have a car.
Okay.
You cannot have this car with an old battery. It's no good.
No problem.
Okay, get a new battery. I already fixed it. Ignition, come on.
Okay.
So let me. Okay, we already reset the car. I'm gonna put my. Where is your battery?
It's over there.
Where is it? Okay, you have a BMW,
Yes.
and you wanna work with it is a dead battery.
Okay.
That's wrong, my
I
friend.
mean, no problem. I'm gonna buy
No, I'm
another one.
just kidding.
No.
But if put a new battery and be sure your battery is good,
Okay.
and that's it. You're good to go.
Aye. What happened now?
Take it slowly. Take your time.
Okay.
Take your time. If there's anything, move it. I'm gonna try to put this one here. It's a quick booster. I hope it's gonna start our car. Also, you can have something like this with you sometime instead of jumping it. It help you for your battery. Yeah, it's a quick. It's not bad. I tried. It's good. Okay, now I'm gonna go with this one here. So I like it. Okay, and this one is here. I'm gonna push this one. Now I'm gonna come back. Let me see. Yes. Yes. My car is start. Beautiful. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic Diagnostic Plus. Please subscribe, share, and like, and let us continue helping those people online if they are good now. Here, they jump their car. Okay, you have to leave this car running for a little longer. Charge your battery. Let me move my tester too. The car start? It's yeah, okay. I am here helping some people. Try it and then let's see what's going on. Anytime, let me know. Hey, alaikum salam. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. That's that's me there. And please, if you have any problem, feel free to ask. If I can help you by phone, by anything, I will do my best. Please subscribe and share and like, and see you in another video. If you have any problem, you need any help, tech support, I am there for you. Thank you for watching and see you in another video. Thank you.